Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 July 2018, 00 of hour, 23 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, where is Quick Connect on the S7? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about where is Quick Connect on the S7. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about where is Quick Connect on the S7. It is literally 3 steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen to pull down the notification shade. Tap Quick Connect. The S7 will now scan for nearby devices to which you can connect. Tap the device to which you wish to connect. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.